news that matters. Fox 40 News at 6 p.m. starts now.
As lawmakers hammer out a budget reconciliation bill, Californians took to the streets today calling for their local representatives to protect access to Medicaid. They say they are worried that a budget passed by the GOP-controlled House could make cuts to the program that provides health care coverage to low-income individuals. Thanks for joining us tonight. For Fox 40 News at 6, I'm Nikki Lorenzo.
And I'm Eric Harriman. One of those demonstrations took place this afternoon outside Congressman Tom Mcclintock's office, that is in Modesto. Fox 40's Josie Hart shows us what those demonstrators had to say today.
The people that we spoke with out here today say they worry that if any cuts are made, this could potentially have devastating impacts to their health. This is the sound of many Californians who are taking to the streets, calling on congressional politicians to protect their access to Medicaid.
Don't cut the Medicaid! Don't cut the Medicaid!
Many say they are worried that a budget passed by the GOP-controlled House could make cuts to the program that provides health care coverage to low-income individuals.
Horrible, disgusting, sad.
On Wednesday, at least 200 demonstrators gathered outside of Congressman Tom Mcclintock's office in Modesto, demanding that he votes against these cuts.
Our demand for McClintock is to do what's right by his people.
Those in attendance included residents with a wide range of disabilities, elderly patients, and organizations including members of the United Domestic Workers who play a role in the care provided for certain groups of patients.
The impact is huge. It could be devastating for millions of Americans, specifically in Stanislaus County. About 51% of the residents rely on Medicaid services.
The UDW worries that any cuts to Medicaid would leave millions without the necessary resources and care they need if they can't afford it.
The price of medicine, the price of doctors, the price of equipment.
81-year-old Wayne Junso says he is worried about the added work and resources it would take to care for his son, who is paralyzed if impacted.
For most of the people, it is a big issue because if they lose doctors, nurses, and help, what are they going to do?
The government has not finalized a budget yet, but residents here say they hope politicians will keep the potential repercussions and their fears in mind.
Well, one, I probably wouldn't have a job. Two, my grandson would not be able to go and get the help that he needs.
These are some really scary times, and it's unfortunate, but I have to keep hope that as long as we continue to apply the pressure and make our voices heard, that they doesn't fall on deaf ears.
Fox 40 has reached out to Congressman Mcclintock's office for comment, and we are awaiting response. Everyone we spoke with today says they will be back out here again tomorrow to continue their demonstrations. For now in Modesto, covering local news that matters, I'm Josie Hart, Fox 40 News.
A similar demonstration taking place this afternoon in Rockland near the office of Republican Congressman Kevin Kiley. Just over a week ago, Kiley voted yes on the budget plan that would cut funding for Medicaid. In a statement, Kiley's office said protesters need to take their signs to Governor Newsom's office and, quote, tell him to stop driving Medicaid into bankruptcy with benefits for illegal immigrants. This is simply unsustainable. It threatens coverage for California's legal residents who are already seeing their access to care limited. California is the only state in the country with this irresponsible policy. Please tell Newsom to reverse it immediately.
On this